Hello guys, today I am going to compare and review all the affordable beauty blenders I have with me. The beauty blenders I am going to review in this video are Matra Beauty Blender, Bare Essential Beauty Blender, Blue Heaven Beauty Blender and Miniso Beauty Blender. First, let's see their packaging. All of them comes in flimsy transparent plastic packaging. I am not a fan of any of these packagings because they are not reusable.
Welcome to our channel Life Addictions. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon.
The Matra one comes for rupees 249. It is a latex free beauty blender. It is teardrop shaped and it comes in this pink color. The beauty blender is quite soft and bouncy. The MRP of the Bare Essential one is 170 rupees, but I got it for 150 rupees on discount. The shape and the size of this beauty blender is similar to the Matra one. As you can see, they are of equal size, but this one comes in magenta color. I find it a bit harder than the Matra one. The Miniso one is the widest one. It is also the hardest one, but the Miniso beauty blenders comes in different shapes and sizes. So the other Miniso beauty blenders might be better or worse than this beauty blender. The shape of the Blue Heaven beauty blender is curvy and it is the softest beauty blender out of all these. I have used the Blue Heaven beauty blender quite a lot and it's time to throw this away. So you might find this a little dirty. Sorry for that. Blue Heaven is a bit larger than the Matra and Bare Essential ones. Blue Heaven one is the softest of all of these and it also looks the most porous of all these. The Miniso one is the hardest of them all. So now I am going to soak all of these in water. All of them almost doubled up in size after soaking them in water. Blue Heaven one is still the softest of them all. The second softest one is the Matra one. The Bare Essential one is a bit harder than the Matra one. The Miniso one is still the hardest of them all. Generally, hard beauty blenders are difficult to work with and the hard ones are not that bouncy as well. Both the Bare Essential and Matra beauty blenders are latex free, so they might cause lesser skin allergic reaction than the latex beauty blenders. The Matra one looks a bit more porous than the Bare Essential one. Miniso one is also looking quite porous and the Blue Heaven one is the most porous of them all. So the Bare Essential one looks a lot less porous than all of these. So I am going to apply Maybelline Fit Me foundation with all these beauty blenders and see the difference between them. I have chosen this foundation because I guess most of us have used this foundation. First, I am going to use the Bare Essential one for blending my foundation. I am not quite happy with the finishing though. It is giving me a very patchy finish. The plus point of this beauty blender is that it doesn't soak a lot of product. It actually needs quite less foundation to cover my face. It is also very easy to build up the foundation on my face using this beauty blender. It is quite easy to cover the marks on the face using this beauty blender. But I am quite sad that I don't like the finish this beauty blender gives me. It looks very patchy. But of course the final decision is yours. If you like the finish, you can go ahead and purchase this one. But the finishing is looking patchier than what it is looking on camera. Now I'm going to try the Matra one. It soaks a lot of product, but the finishing is lovely though. It gives a natural skin-like finish, but the negative point is a lot of product gets wasted. It is also quite easy to build up the coverage with this one. It is also a bit softer and bouncier than the Bare Essential one. You can now see both the sides and compare them and see which one you like the most. I'm going to try to build it up to cover some of the marks. So now I removed foundation from the left side of my face and then tried to cover up the marks using the Matra Beauty Blender. But my opinion doesn't change. I like the Matra one more than the Bare Essential one. If you go by the reviews on Nykaa, the Bare Essential one has got better reviews than the Matra one. But just after using the Bare Essential Beauty Blender once, after the beauty blender dried completely, I noticed some micro tears on it and also the shape of it changed. It was looking very uneven. I do like many Bare Essential products, but this beauty blender is definitely not one of them. Now I'm going to remove all the makeup from my face. Now I'm going to use the Miniso one on my left side. It is a bit hard on the skin. It blends the foundation well, looks natural, but again soaks a lot of product. I like the finishing of this one as well, but as I told you, it is a bit hard on the skin and it is also not that bouncy. Now let's try the Blue Heaven one. As I told you, I have been using this beauty blender since long. I surely love this beauty blender. It gives a very natural finish, but the negative point is again it soaks a lot of product. You can compare both the sides. I love the side of the Blue Heaven one. So to recap again, the Bare Essential one soaks the least amount of product. The Miniso one is the hardest of them all, and the Blue Heaven is the softest of them all. So none of the beauty blenders are perfect, but all of these are very affordable. But if you ask me, I will prefer the Matra and the Blue Heaven ones out of these. So hope you liked my review. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay happy and keep glowing.